Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on your Apple TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi so that you can play streaming apps. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to go ahead and navigate to where it says settings. And then you want to go ahead and navigate to where it says network, which is right over here. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi, which is this option here. And then you want to go ahead and find the Wi-Fi network that you want to go ahead and connect to. So this right here is the name of my Wi-Fi. And then I'm just simply going to go ahead and type in our password right over here. So after you go ahead and type in your password, you should see that your Wi-Fi network is connected. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Apple TV and connect your Wi-Fi to your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.